Hey guys, it's Caleb with the Service Estimator. Again, I am the owner also of Precision Cut Lawn Service and Precision Outdoors out of the Indianapolis market, and we created the Service Estimator just to automate out the sales process. So I met with a client out in Franklin, Indiana. His name was Frank. We went through his property. Obviously, you can tell in the pictures, has a bad lawn and really just needed some help. I took pictures, kind of marked it just so then I have it for notes. So then I'm going to go over here, and since it's you guys, I'm going to create a new address so you don't see any of the personal information. You put in the address, and then I've made a tool called Sod Seed Installations, and you just click next. So what it's going to do is bring you up to the property, and I was just out here, so it is this property right here. So the area that's in question that I'm going to quote is here. And then this is an old image, but again, since it's already out there, I can already pretty much guess what it is. So that is the rough area of what we're going to be doing. Then after you measure it, it just automatically makes your area prep, your sod installation cost, and then your seed and straw cost. It is preloaded with our pricing. You're going to notice in this, it might seem heavier, it might seem light to you. It just depends. Ultimately, if we're sending it out, I just double check to make sure area prep shows up right. Because that lawn is so big, I would actually bump this number. I'm going to just show you now. So simple preparations, like it's already dirt and we just have to run the Harley rake and everything over it. And so then standard prep will be about 50% more because we have to take out the existing crappy grass and do a bunch of stuff. The sod pricing is about correct because we pay about 34 cents a square foot for the sod, and then seed and straw correct as well. So I already know what they want. They want these two. So I would just do that, send it out to the client and say, you know, they'd have all their info, and then they would get it and be able to accept and send it back to us. Agreed. Thanks.